In the warm waters of the Mediterranean, a creature no larger than your pinky nail holds one of nature's most extraordinary secrets, the ability to reverse aging and live forever. Turritopsis dohrnii, known as the immortal jellyfish, can transform its cells from adult back to infant, essentially resetting its biological clock whenever it faces threats or old age. The discovery of this biological marvel was entirely accidental. In the 1980s, German marine biology student Christian Sommer was studying hydrozoans in the Italian Riviera when he noticed something impossible. A mature Turritopsis medusa was reverting back to its polyp stage, defying everything science knew about aging and development. The transformation process, called transdifferentiation, is cellular magic. When stressed or injured, the jellyfish specialized cells can change their identity. Muscle cells become nerve cells, digestive cells become reproductive cells. Within days, the adult jellyfish dissolves into a cellular blob that reorganizes into a new polyp, ready to begin life again. Environmental stress triggers this remarkable transformation. When faced with starvation, physical injury, or sudden temperature changes, the jellyfish initiates its age reversal process. The cells essentially undergo a controlled demolition and reconstruction, preserving the organism's genetic information while resetting its developmental timeline. The evolutionary advantage of biological immortality is profound. In the competitive world of marine ecosystems, the ability to survive periods of scarcity or environmental stress by reverting to a more resilient form provides an incredible survival edge. This adaptation has allowed Turritopsis to persist through millions of years of environmental changes. Human activity has unintentionally spread immortal jellyfish worldwide. Ballast water from cargo ships has carried these tiny stowaways from the Mediterranean to Japan, Panama, Spain, and Florida. Scientists are now finding them in ports and coastal areas around the globe, raising questions about their ecological impact. Medical researchers are intensely studying the immortal jellyfish for clues about human aging. Understanding how these creatures control cellular aging could lead to breakthroughs in regenerative medicine, cancer treatment, and age-related diseases. The mechanisms that allow transdifferentiation might one day help us repair damaged tissues and organs. Conservationists are concerned about the ecological implications of a potentially immortal species spreading globally. While individual jellyfish remain vulnerable to predation and disease, their ability to cheat death could allow them to outcompete native species and disrupt marine ecosystems in new environments. Current scientific research focuses on unlocking the genetic secrets behind cellular immortality. Laboratories worldwide are sequencing the Turritopsis genome, studying its unique gene expression patterns, and experimenting with inducing similar cellular transformations in other organisms. The ultimate goal, understanding if we can harness these mechanisms for human benefit. The immortal jellyfish represents one of biology's greatest mysteries, challenging everything we thought we knew about aging and offering hope for revolutionary medical breakthroughs. In this tiny marine creature, we find not just a biological curiosity, but a living key that might unlock the secrets of eternal cellular youth.